Today geography is much similar to what you've already done in class 9. It's a little more detailed, and if you like geography, that is physical geography, you would love class 11 geography. We study the Big Bang theory. We study the nebular hypothesis, in which we are talking about the formation of stars, formation of planets, formation of Earth, and then we move on to the interior of the Earth. Here we are talking about the core, mantle and the crust of the Earth. We also talk about the earthquake, seismic waves. We talk about the seismograph, the shadow zones. Then we move on to geomorphic processes. Here we are talking about agents of gradation. We are talking about erosion. We are talking about mass wasting, mass movement. We also talk about landslides. A few days back, when we are reading newspapers every day and we are talking about Gangotri, we are talking about Kedarnath, Badrinath, landslides have happened. What is the reason for landslides? What is liquefaction? What is solidification? It is because of these processes that landslides have occurred over there. Then there are so many things that we study in climate, like what are jet streams, what are upper air circulations, what are monsoons, how do the monsoons enter India, what role do jet streams play in bringing monsoons to India, what are land breeze, sea breeze. All these things are covered in detail in this chapter, climate. Then we go to wildlife and natural vegetation. What are the biodiversities on the earth? Then we have life on the earth. Here we are talking about all the biological features, biological phenomena, physical processes, chemical processes, and how the changes are taking place on the earth. And then we have a separate book, India Physical Environment, in which we are talking only about the Indian physiography. We start with India location, we start with the India physical features, and then gradually move to drainage, climate of India, natural vegetation, wildlife of India, and then everything what we have done in book 1, relating it to book 2.